particular recognition. Giving a home is the most pious thing we do actually in real estate. And Nyati Group has been delivering homes about the last 20 years. We've delivered over 20,000 homes. And I not only hold this certificate and the award as a recognition, but I hold this as a responsibility. So many, many more years to come. Thank you so much.
So, any final set of words to your customers?
We are here because of them. All our stakeholders, suppliers, vendors, clients, bankers, investors, all of them in the last 18 years, we've built 8,000 strong relationships. And we continue this year to grow more up. And I guess we will be adding another 2,000 families in the kitty in the years to come. So I guess I'm just humbled and thankful to God.
Sure. So maybe the next home you can count mine as well.
Sure, definitely. It'll be a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Nice
and
meeting you. Thank you so
congratulations
much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we have our next awardee. Ma'am, firstly, looking great in a beige
Thank you.
gown. Very
Thank
few
you.
women can carry a beige gown.
Thank you so
I want
much.
to understand if you can introduce yourself, your company,
Sure.
and how does it feel to win this prestigious award?
Sure. I am from DOMS Industries Private Limited. So it's a stationery manufacturing company. And I'm feeling wonderful because this is the second time in the year we are winning this award. So I am really thankful to all my consumers, the kids, the students who are loving our products and using it. So I would really thank them. And secondly, I would love to thank Mr. Santosh Raveshya, a director, for giving me this opportunity to come here, receive the award and honor the award. So yeah.
In a man of few words, would you like to contribute
Yeah,
to
definitely.
your customers
Yeah,
in
definitely.
any sense?
So it's been now 2 years that the Toms is in winning award in India, and globally as well. The company is selling the products global markets as well, and we thank all the consumers and to trust the brand and use the product, which is helping us to grow and also in give back to the society.
Sure. Congratulations and it's lovely having you.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here conducting the media bites of our wonderful awards today at Leela, Mumbai. Right? So, if I could get our next awardee to have his introduction, how does it feel to finally win this award yet again? Right? And if you can talk a little bit about your company, please.
बेसिकली वी आर इनटू मोबाइल फ़ोन एक्सेसरीज़. हम लोग मोबाइल फ़ोन के एक्सेसरीज़ में हैं एंड इट्स ए 20 ईयर्स ओल्ड कंपनी और रिवियरा इज़ और ब्रांड नेम. जो हमारा टारगेट कस्टमर है वो गांव में है. वी बिलीव कि भारत गांव में बसता है. तो वी आर नॉट द accessory provider for the urban cities. We are basically for the compatible batteries for the all the more companies, whether it's a Micromax, whether it's a Samsung, whether it's a Apple. जो भी जितनी भी कंपनीज हैं उन सब के हम कंपेटेबल बैटरीज, पावर बैंक, चार्जर्स और एलईडी टीवीज़ वो सब हम बनाते हैं. एंड 20 साल पुरानी हमारी कंपनी है और फ्रॉम कन्याकुमारी टू कश्मीर हमारे एक एक जगह पर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं और बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है आज अवार्ड लेते हुए. और मैं अपने डीलर्स को, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को, अपने कस्टमर्स को थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा इस मोमेंट पे कि उनकी बदौलत आज हम इस मुकाम पे खड़े हैं कि आप हमारा इंटरव्यू भी ले रहे हैं और इस अवार्ड को भी. थैंक यू वेरी मच टू एवरीबडी. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ देम वी गॉट दिस अवार्ड. थैंक यू.
Congratulations, and I hope you celebrate your 25 years celebration with our
यस श्योर
श्योर. और एक चीज़ हम ज़रूर बोलना चाहेंगे, जो हमने पिछली बार भी कहा था जब हमें भारत का सबसे विश्वसनीय ब्रांड होने का खिताब मिला था कि कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक जो हमारे रिटेलर्स हैं, डीलर्स हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, उनका 20 साल का जो भरोसा हमें मिला है, जो विश्वास उन्होंने हम पे जताया है, पहले विश्वास जीतना और उसके बाद में उन लोगों से ही नंबर 1 बनना, तो ये बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है. और हर अवार्ड के साथ एक जिम्मेदारी आती है. कामना करते हैं ईश्वर से और अपने डीलर्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स से कि उनकी अपेक्षाओं पे, आकांक्षाओं पे हम लोग खरे उतर पाएँ. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
बल्कि अब तो हमारी जिम्मेदारी और बढ़ गई है कि नंबर 1 ब्रांड होने के बाद इसको मेंटेन करना ये सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज हमारा.
यस.
tapping the entire rural India.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, congratulations, big task ahead. An award in a time is
Thanks,
always-
Bhavna. Yeah.
So, up next to our next awardee, sir, if you could tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to finally win this award this year?
I'm a managing director of a brand called Indus Silver TMT. We manufacture quality construction steel. We're already in 2 decades in this industry, and all engineers, carpenters, contractors, all the end user, everybody is recognized because of our quality and the service commitment which we are giving this. I'm very happy to receive this award by public voting. My management teacher has told me that if it's a good product, you have to sell more. I thank IBC team for motivating us to produce more and more quantity of these good products, because he told me that if good products are not sold, more bad products will come to the market, and it's not good for the country or for the people. So it's a moral responsibility for all the good products like us to sell more and more. So these type of motivations are really encouraging us to do more work and to reach more number of people. Secondly, we are already manufacturing 550 grade, where market is only up to 500 grade, and we also made the 600 grade also, which is not at all in the market. We are the first people to manufacture 600 grade in the entire country even today. Very proud to stand here, and also I'm feeling very responsible. Even the steel is grade is very high, but still it's flexible, pure steel because of the chemical composition. I'm really happy and proud to sell such a good product. Thanks for giving such a nice opportunity to me.
So thank you so much for the lovely conversation, and we wish you all the best for next year.
Thank you so much.
So ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next awardee. Sir, if you could talk a little bit about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this wonderful award?
Sure. My name is Sarang Panchal. I'm the Managing Director of MRSS India. We're India's first and only public limited market research firm. And the really cool stuff we do is a lot of digital stuff. So we do things like eye tracking, neuro tracking, facial coding, digital tracking, virtual reality. And it's really cool. It's ahead of the curve. It's stuff that people are doing abroad but not here. And the demand is unbelievable. So it's really exciting. I'm really grateful to you guys to recognize this and award us this specific one, because it's a big one. It's digital is where it's at, and most of the time we're doing some really interesting work that cannot be done using traditional market research methodology. So we're using newer and newer methods virtually every month.
Wow, looking forward to seeing you grow more, as everything is leading towards digital India. That's the upcoming concept, which has been around since a while, but it's always been picking up. So thank you so much for your contribution. So any final messages to your customers?
Then the final message is just is about change, because if you don't change in today's day and age, it's all over. Toys R Us is over, Macy's over. There's so many companies that have really, don't exist anymore.
Correct.
So
Because of the
it is all about change and be open to change and understanding. So digital is a good example. Market, even today in my company, it's only 30-40% that of our customers are doing digital. Maybe the next time I see you, it'll be 60, and it's just growing very, very rapidly. So it's all about having an open mind and just wanting to change, because that's the only way you will survive in today's extremely fluid environment.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir, for this lovely conversation. Hope to see you next year
Thanks.
as well.
Take care.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
So ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next big awardee. Sir, if you could talk a little bit
Sure.
about yourself, the company you represent,
Yes.
and how does it feel to win this award?
Thank you very much. I'm Advocate Rajesh Vanzara. I practice at Bombay High Court, and my law firm is SK Legal. It gives me not only a great pleasure, but it's an honor to be here at India's Trusted Brand #1 Awards to receive this award at this prestigious platform. And I'm so happy to share this platform with these dignitaries, and wish you all the very best. Keep
Sure,
going
sir.
good. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And sir, since you come from the law background,
Yes.
if you could just talk a little bit about your journey in general, it would always be great to hear a little bit about that.
Actually, to be very honest, my journey has been an uphill task. I came from a middle-class family. Parents were non-English educated, and I was refused admission to an English medium school.
Okay.
Yes, but it was my parents' efforts, and thanks to one solicitor, Auntie Mrs. Sanjana, she got me to one of the best schools in South Bombay. And I remember very well, I used to be a merit holder. I got a scholarship for visit for London. And along with that, when I scored merit in my 10th standard grade, I remember this counselor who told me that, Rajesh, no matter what you say, what you do, you may be good in academics, you may be good in extracurricular activities, but either you take arts, you'll become a good lawyer, or you'll become a good teacher. So now in those days, 86 scoring merit and going and taking arts was strict no.
Sure.
There was a pressure, like, either you become a doctor, engineer, or a chartered accountant. Taking arts and becoming a lawyer or a teacher was strict no. But eventually, finally, I became a lawyer and I married a teacher. So I have best of both the worlds. Yes.
So thank you so for
Thank you.
serving the country and
Thank
us.
you very
Thank
much.
you so
Pleasure
much.
is mine. Thank you and good luck. Bye bye. Yeah.
So up next, we've got our next awardee. Let's see who it is. And sir, if you could tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this prestigious award?
First of all, I'll thank IBC Media for the award, and we are representing Agawa Industrial Corporation, who is basically into bituminous and manufacturing of bituminous products. And we have got this platform where IBC Media has recognized this industry because we cannot market our product on the television because it's a product, very specialized product which cannot be marketed on TV. And I'm thankful to IBC Media to get this award for us.
So thank you so much, sir, for having joined us today. We hope to see you in the next award ceremony as well. And congratulations once again. Thank you.
Thank you.
So very good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Firstly, congratulations on winning the award.
Thank
If you
you.
could just tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this award?
Well, first of all, I want to thank IBC Infomedia for giving us this award, that is India's #1 trusted company award. It is really pleasure for us and it's an honor for us to get this award. And we are at Indianica always in a virtue of modifying things and also in evolving, innovating the curricular, then reference material, then also the digital solutions in the same way to keep the standard of the educations which you have today. And this award is really great for us. In fact, it is for each one of us in Indianica, it is a motivation for us so that the contribution which you do to the society, that also we want to do by giving knowledge to people and also promoting learners and also giving some kind of different type of knowledge to the learners basically. That's what we want to do it. Okay.
So excited about your
Yeah.
coming work, and we hope to see you in the next awards.
Yeah,
Keep
sure,
doing
sure,
the great work,
sure.
and it is
Thank
a
you.
pleasure meeting
Thank you very much. Thanks. Thank you.
So very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Up next to our next wonderful awardee. Sir, firstly, congratulations on
Thank
being
you
one
so
of
very
the
much.
wonderful awardees today. Just would like you to introduce yourself, your company, and how does it feel to finally win this wonderful award today?
Sure. My colleague Vilas, he's the head
Hi,
of sales and
Vilas.
marketing. I'm Prakash, and we are from Hercules Hoists, which is a part of the Bajaj Group, and we are into material handling, which means that we handle a whole lot of overhead material handling, chain hoist, wire rope hoist, mechanical hoists, and so on. And it feels wonderful to receive this award because we are a 50-plus-year-old company in this industry. We are the leading market leaders in this industry, and this is one of the recognitions that we have got in the process.
That's great. I mean, after having almost hit half a century in terms of the work portfolio of the company,
Yes,
and winning an award would be a great relief.
exactly. We know that for a fact. We do our own market surveys, and we know for a fact that we are the market leaders
Sure, sir.
in terms of the industry. So
Sure.
this is just a reaffirmment of our market leadership.
Yeah, so I think the best word would be reaffirming that you guys are the market leaders. of
Exactly.
that. So
Exactly.
thank you so much, sir, for having come ahead. Any final words to your customers?
Vilas?
If Vilas, you can.
Please.
It's okay, Vilas. Over to you. You can steal the thunder for today.
Okay.
Always. Be the sales guy.
Okay.
Sure.
This award, first of all, we'll thank you IBC for giving us this opportunity to come on the stage and receive this award. At the same time, this is put us up under a lot of pressure to continue our work better and better as the day progress, and we'll hope with God grace we'll get such awards on and on. Thank you.
Thank you.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Bhavna Bhatia, and today we're here taking the media bites of all our awardees. Up next, let's talk to our next awardee. Sir, if you could just introduce yourself, the company you come from, and how does it feel to win this award?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank IBC Info Media for choosing us as India's most trusted brand. I, Surya Narayana, representing Mangalore SEZ Limited. It is a company promoted by ONGC, Government of Karnataka and ILFS. So we are one of the infrastructure. Our infrastructure is one of the best infrastructure in the SEZ. We created our own barrages. We created our own systems in the zone. So let's come and see the development what we have achieved, and we are proud and privileged to receive this award. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And would you like to add on?
Thanks
to
for
anything?
the award, giving an opportunity to receive this one, and now we are more encouraged, and it's a great responsibility has put us to perform better. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you.
Sure thing. Pleasure, sir. Nice, and have a great cocktail and dinner. We'll see you around. Thank you, sir.